Hi friends, we are now going to work on how is it played, and this is on page 66. Okay, before we start, I want to review what it means to use the lines in this program. There's two lines here, so your lines look just like this. So what this means is that your lowercase needs to be in between the two lines. It needs to be in between the two lines. So for example, if I had the letter A, that's what it should look like. B would look like this. It has a tall stick, but the circle or the hoop is between the lines. C, D, E, F, G, H. Now look, the G went below the line. I, J goes below the line. Now here's K. A lot of us make big mistakes with this. This is a lowercase k. A lot of us are doing this. That's an uppercase K. Okay, so when we're writing lowercase, we need to make sure our K is below the lines, below this line. L, M, N, O, P is below the line. If you have it above the line, that's a capital P. Q, lowercase q is below the line. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y is below the line, and Z. Okay? So some of you are writing it like this. You'll make a sentence and you write it like this. Okay, I use a bow. That's wrong. Okay, you need to put these letters inside this line, inside the double line. It should look like this. Capital I, use a bow. Okay, so just moving forward, if it's above the line, I'm going to ask you to please change it. Okay, the reason we're practicing this is because when you do cursive, if you have huge letters all over the place, it will not read correctly. Okay, it is very important to write correctly. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for trying so hard. Okay, now let's get on to our assignment. It says, write how you play each instrument. Okay, so this says bow, and that's a violin. It says, I use a bow to play a violin. Okay, so that's an example. This says drumsticks and drum. I'm just gonna move out a little bit. Okay, drumsticks and drum. So what they want you to do is you're just gonna copy these words. I use a drum, or actually you would say I use drumsticks, so you wouldn't use the A. I use drumsticks to play, and you would write the drum. Okay, so we'll try that together. Capital I. Okay, now watch. I'm going to use my letters correctly, my letter size. I use I made a mistake. I use drumsticks. So I'm just going to, I don't have a pencil, so I use drum sticks. Okay, notice my K and my T Okay, I use drumsticks. Now go back up. To play. To play. And then we need to write the drum. Okay, and a period at the end. Okay, now let's go to this one. This says fingers, piano. So we go back up here. I use, you're going to say, my fingers to play the piano. Okay, so I use my fingers to play the piano. Okay, nice job everybody. That wasn't too hard. All right, please make sure you're doing good handwriting and kiss your brain. Thank you.